I'm really bad at intros to videos. Like as soon as I turn the camera on, I like completely shit the bed and don't know what to say. But good morning. It is Friday, October the 25th. And I'm just waking up. I couldn't sleep last night. I was very like restless the whole night. So I woke up and I decided that I wanted to, I guess, start more explicitly documenting my journey through grad school. I don't know if a lot of people kind of knew or noticed that I was doing my undergrad in nutrition, so I was trying to be a dietitian. Earlier on my channel I might have mentioned it, but I'm currently doing my internship and my master's combined into one, and I wanted to document that process and just kind of how I balanced life as a grad student. So I think that would be helpful for some people, so, or at least I hope it is, and also just for my own purposes as well. Please forgive me, I'm breaking out really bad. My skin is not doing well, and I think, just from stress and things like that, my sleep hasn't been the best lately, but I'm awake and I'm currently trying to fill out my 5-minute journal, which I'll show you here. So yeah, I'm gonna fill out my journal and have my coffee and try and wake up. I have a meeting for my research from 10 to 12 today, and then after that I'm going to a Talks on Fridays meeting thing, which is basically people who present their research in front of a bunch of doctors, because I'm going to be doing that soon, so just to kind of get a feel for what everyone's doing. But yeah, that's what my day is going to look like, so I will take you through that adventure, and yeah. Now that I actually look somewhat alive today, I'm trying to update my phone currently, and my phone's been broken for almost a year, and I'm too poor to get it fixed right now, so it's just kind of it was doing this thing where it was resetting a bunch, and now I'm trying to see if I can fix it by doing a software update, iOS 13 update or something. I don't know, I'm not really up to date with these things, but yeah, so I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that it updates before I have to go, because I have to leave in T-minus less than 2 hours now. Trying to get some reading done, but super distracted, I think because I'm tired, even though I woke up because I couldn't sleep anymore. So yeah, today's gonna be long, as you can tell. Yeah. So I'm officially back home now. It's about 10 to 2 p.m. I went to my research meeting, which went sort of well, but I didn't do a whole lot research wise, just because I'm kind of at a standstill with my project, and I'll probably do a whole separate video about what I'm doing for my research project. But yeah, I went to a presentation type event afterwards to listen to other people present different research topics from our main campus, so that was pretty interesting. And now I'm back home, and my phone officially is broken. So I thankfully had a backup phone that I hadn't used. It's really old though. It's probably the same generation as my old iPhone, but it's gonna have to do for now because I just don't have the funds to get a new one, and I'm pretty just disappointed and upset that it had to break now at the most inconvenient time. And yeah, I think just right now, and I just want to be completely transparent and real, I'm really sad today. And this I wanted this to be a happy and upbeat type video, but I'm just I'm really sad. Just a lot of things are just happening in my life, and maybe I'll talk about it. But just right now, I feel like I need to just do a lot of, like, reevaluating and just, like, things that are going on, and I do, like I said, want to be completely real and transparent and honest about this journey and how I feel and everything, but, like, yeah, like, I've been fighting tears, like, all day, and, like, just stuff's been really hard lately. So I think I'm gonna take a nap since I was up super early, and then I'm gonna get up and I'll maybe show you what I'm eating for dinner and, like, how I plan the rest of my evening. So yeah, that's very exciting. I know my life isn't super exciting, but, like, I guess we'll start with that for now. Officially awake from my nap, and yeah, this is what I'm having for my dinner. It's pretty much like a crock-pot meal recipe, so I just have sweet potatoes that I overcooked by accident, and then I have some fresh broccoli, and then I have some chicken that I also had left in the crock-pot. As I'm, like, going through, like, just kind of my day, I'm realizing that there's so many videos I can make, so, like, I'll definitely make a meal prep video and kind of show you how I do that, just because it saves me so much time in life. And just, you know, like, I don't have to worry about cooking. Like, I have all my meals made, I just pull something out of the freezer, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to eat this, maybe watch some YouTube, and then I'm going to possibly start planning the rest of my evening. I had a wicked nap. I'm still tired. Like, I woke up, like, kind of urgently thinking I slept a long time, but I was really, really tired. It is now officially 10:34 p.m. and I did, like, literally nothing. This was supposed to be, like, a video to, like, show a day in the life. This is not a typical day in the life for me. And, like, I don't even want to call it a day in life anymore, but, like, yeah, I'm, like, super dead and super tired, and I need to work out still, and I haven't done that, and I'm debating if I should, like, I'm just debating which workout to do. So basically, like, because I am in grad school, and because I, like, don't have time to, like, go to and from the gym and all that stuff, I'm, like, basically restricted to all my Beachbody on-demand programs. So, like, I just do, like, whatever workout I'm feeling. I'm not really doing a program right now, but, like, whatever workout I'm feeling. You know, if I have more time, I do, like, 2 workouts that are, like, 30 minutes long, so I'm about an hour, maybe 45 minutes or so. But if I don't have time or I'm just not feeling it, I usually try to get, like, 20 to 30 minutes max. I'm probably getting sick, and that's why, like, I'm just really, really tired and stuff lately, but, yeah, nonetheless, I kind of want to get something in, so I will take you through my workout and show you, like, little previews and snippets, but, like, honestly, Beachbody On Demand saved me. It's the only thing I do in terms of fitness now, because of the fact that, like, it's so difficult to get to the gym, and it's so difficult to block out that time, and if, like, you don't get up super early, or, like, you know, don't have time later on in the day, you likely won't go to the gym, and if, like, you know, you have the on-demand, you're kind of, like, you don't have to go anywhere, you can just, like, do whatever you feel, and then, like, you're done, you can go upstairs, take your shower, do whatever you gotta do, and you're back at it again. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and again, I will show you which workout I do for this evening.
Yeah, Birdman, you know, just like that, always. Yeah, got it with a swag on lean, the way she dancing on me, can tell that she a freak. Her mama wouldn't like it, her daddy wouldn't either, and the way she grinding on me, can tell shorty to keep her. She got it written on her, she got it written on her, she got it written on her, she got it written on her. Born rich, bags. New crib, brand new jag. Birdman born to shine. Bad bitch all the time. Stay fly, ride fly. I'm stunting, stay high. Straight G just like that. Blow 100, bounce right back. Red hot, hard top. Cash money, hard knock. Billy frame, drop top. 50 G's, the bottles pop. Iced out, so we chill. Cool in every automobile. Tatted up life of a G. Count stacks, fly star sweets.
Swag on lean. The way she dancing on me, can tell that she a freak. She got it written on her. She got it written on her. She got it written on her. She got it written on her.
250 on the dash. Yeah, I'm living fast. Yeah, I'm getting cash. I need a bitch that's bad. Shorty play your role. We slamming phantom doors. She be like drive slow. We burning purple smoke. I said I never fold. I promise not to stop. Just like my Rolls Royce. The way that girl drop. I need a hot girl. And yeah, that girl hot.
You do that every day. This cardio challenge to limits beyond anything.
I finished it. Max 30 cardio challenge. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that this video didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. Please check me out on social. I'll link it all below. I invite you back to YouTube. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.